Hi there! Today we're diving into the world of JIRA boards and how they can make managing your Agile projects a breeze. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is JIRA? Well, it's a powerful tool that helps teams organize and track their work using Agile methodologies, and at the heart of JIRA are boards. Imagine you are managing a software development project. You have a team of talented individuals working on different tasks and you want to stay on top of their progress. That's where boards come in. With JIRA boards, you can create a board for your project and customize it to fit your specific needs. You can define columns to represent different stages of your workflow, like to do, in progress, and done. This visual representation helps you track tasks and their progress at a glance. Now, let's say a team member completes a task. All they have to do is drag and drop it from the to-do to in progress, and everyone in the team can see the change in real time. This promotes collaboration and transparency as everyone knows what everyone else is working on. And here's the icing on the cake. JIRA boards come with powerful reporting features. You can generate burn-down charts, velocity charts, and many other insightful reports to measure your team's progress and identify areas of improvement. So there you have it. JIRA boards make managing your Agile projects easy and efficient. Whether you are overseeing software development, marketing campaigns, or any other project, JIRA has got your back. Give it a try and experience the power of Agile project management firsthand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.